Today I am going to show how to make this animation. I will make this animation step by step. At first I will make this car, and then I will make this tire, and then I will make this road, and then I will make this assembly, and then I will make this animation. Okay, if you want to know how to make this, please check in the description. I will give everything step by step in the description. Okay, let's start. Now at first just go to Math and just go to this assembly part and choose this road. This is the road, and choose this front plane, road front plane, and again go to this car, scroll down, this is the car, and choose this car front plane. Okay, this is the car front plane. Just click car front plane and choose this coincident. Just see, it is coincident with this car and road, and just select OK. Now again select this face and select this tire outside face. Just select this tire outside face and just select this tangent. Now see, it is tangent with this road, and just select OK. Similarly again just OK. Similarly again select this road face and similarly face this road, this tire face, outside of the tire face. Just select this face and just select this tangent. Okay, now see, it is tangent with this road, and just select OK. Now see, it is tangent. Okay, now see, just select OK. Now just select OK. Now see, it is moving or not. Just see, it is moving. Okay, now see, it is moving up and reverse and upward and reverse. Okay, now see, yeah, it is working. Okay, now I will animate this. Now just drag it here. Okay, now I will go to this motion study. At first you will just right click and go to this toolbar and go to this motion manager. Just select this motion manager. When we will select this motion manager, we will take this motion study. Just select this motion study and just see, and at first just we will select this study type. Select this study type, choose this animation. Okay, now select this motor. Just select on this motor and choose this rotary, and just select this component. This will be component, this tower will be component. Okay, and just see, scroll down, you can choose this anything RPM. Just I will choose 100 RPM and just select OK. Okay, again I will choose this motor and I will choose this linear motor, and just I will select this and direction, it will be in this direction. because you will go to in this. Now I scroll down and choose this 10 millimeter per second. Okay, I will choose this 100. Click enter. Okay, I will choose this 100 and just select OK. Now see, just drag it from this point to, I will choose this 20 second. Okay, and just play it, calculate, just select this calculate. Now see, it is working. Now see, yes, just see, see, it is animation with this rod. Yeah, okay, you can change this. I suppose I will choose, it will be 5 and choose this and playback mode and just click play. Now see, okay, now it is working playback mode. Now see, okay, now you can see it on this double big size and this, and see, just see it play. It is playing with fast playing. Yes, I can change it or more time. Suppose I will 25. I will select this, suppose 25 second, and just play it at fast. Just again play it. It is playing with fast. Okay, now see, yeah, okay, thank you for watching.